Is your auction block looking generic on your Shopify store? Don't worry, we have the perfect solution for you. Introducing Block Designing, 15 color options to perfectly match your store's brand. Head to Settings and find Auction Block Design Properties. On right-hand side, you can see Auction Block Preview section, in which you can see all states of Auction Block. Next, start customizing your key elements. Set your header colors so they perfectly match your brand. Set timer colors that stand out and instantly convey urgency. Adjust your content colors so they blend seamlessly with your product pages. Highlight your bid button with your signature color and give checkout or buyout buttons a distinct, eye-catching style. Finally, customize the bid history and variant button colors and choose a win text color that makes winners feel special. Save the changes and check your updated auction block on Product Details page. No matter which Shopify theme you use, minimal, modern, or vibrant, you can customize every color of your auction block so it blends perfectly with your store's design. With block designing, your auctions will always look professional and feel like a natural part of your store. Thanks for watching.